All right, so WestForce sent me this to try out. It's actually a cordless power washer. We have problems all the time with our gas power washer because we use it 5 times a year. And of course, you put it in the garage, wintertime, come back, spring, gas is bad. So I want to try something like this out because we don't really need the power of a gas power washer for everyday use. And this can just be put away in somewhere warm. You can see how lack of size it is. So let's see what's in here. Directions, we'll put those in the trash. I'm gonna do a fast forward of this, so anything I say at this point, I'm not too worried about. Okay, so got your normal wands with the extension. That's nice, that's quick release. Standard pressure fittings, nozzles, a hose, a foam cannon, head for it. Put your soap in there, your foam, some general parts, and it's pretty small form factor. It's got a plug with a GFCI on it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this built and then we'll show you how it works. Okay, so your wand, this is pretty cool. The way these quick attach and then detach. The foam cannon that it comes with as well. And then to put your hose in, there's actually just a little button here you push. Put your hose in, let go, it's locked into place. So the way this works, is down here is where your hose goes. There's a cord reel for this. There's even a spot to put the foam cannon, that wand, and that. So everything can stow away. They even include a little needle that you can use if one of these orifices got clogged up, that you can poke it out. So we're gonna go ahead and wash some bins that we feed the cows with. The grain that's in it gets stuck, and this is gonna be perfect for it. Okay, as you can see, I was changing my nozzles around. The red is a 0 degree, then you got a 10 degree on the white, and then a 25 on the green. Pretty much for what we're using, we'd probably only really use these two. The 0 was almost a necessity for the stuck, baked on grain. But as you could see, I could hold on to the bin and operate the gun at the same time without it, ripping my skin off. On top of it, you notice that every time I stopped to change the nozzle, you didn't hear this motor running because this thing shuts off when it doesn't see a draw for fluid. So that's really convenient. It's not loud, and even the 10% nozzle or 10 degree does a pretty good job at getting everything but the caked on stuff, and the caked on stuff came off pretty easy with the 0 degree. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the rest of these up, and we'll let you know what we think. Well, so there's 3 bins cleaned, and probably the time it takes to clean one with a normal hose. And the power washer is still on at the moment. It's just turned itself in its off mode. On, off, on, off. So it's convenient and it's not loud. So I'd say it's a win as long as it holds the test of time.